Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IMNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that, yeah, today was pretty nasty with the opening 30 minutes gap down. But to give credit where credit's due, the bulls ultimately put together some sort of bounce here, which brings up the question, hey, is there any sort of true strength behind this bounce, or is this just some sort of dead cat bounce, knee-jerk reaction? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering this question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that level is right down here at 18 cents. Why is 18 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree that price movements with true strength, so if this bounce is an actual bounce, then the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 18 cents. Any sort of closes below 18 cents or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what's that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would we have in this situation? Well, you'd have this set of lows right here, and then you'd have that set down there. So if you picture these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps going in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game, right? Truly strong moves make progress in the upwards direction. So in my mind, 18 cents, very important from a level of support, and really just a level of kind of answering the question within the story. Is the price making progress forward? Now, what about levels of resistance? Let's talk about a couple of these. First level of resistance, and if you're watching level 2 today, I'm sure you saw this one pop up a couple times, right up there around 19.5 cents. After 19.5, then it's all a matter of that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Not going to assign a numerical level to that because it's a moving average, so it's going to change with time. But before you even worry about breaking through that moving average, next key level up there, or first key level, I should say, is right there at 19.5 cents. So, yeah, not the best day, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did start to bounce a little bit. So let's see if this bounce has any sort of true power behind it or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.